Hello everyone, let's make some delicious chicken biryani. So you're going to find everything listed down in the description box. In a bowl, I'm going to be adding in a cup of yogurt. Make sure to get everything from the cup. In my bowl, I'm going to be adding in some spices and some garlic and ginger, which I've crushed. Mix everything together. And then I'm going to place in my chicken quarters. Mix in with the marinade. Make sure all the sides are coated with the delicious marinade. So I have some mild spices and some spices which are a little bit loud. If you are not used to spices, you can just add half of the spices that I've listed in the description box down below. So because this is my lunch, I'm not going to be marinating my chicken. But if you're going to be marinating your chicken, you're going to marinate for about 3 hours or 1 to 3 hours or overnight. That is going to give you the best chicken biryani. But for me, it's my lunch. So I'm going to move over to my stove top where I've placed a pot for my chicken. Place my chicken in my pot, and then I'm going to sear my chicken on both sides until I have a very nice crust on top. And then I'm going to transfer to a plate. So I'm going to let my chicken cool for a little bit as I make my onions. So in the same pot, I'm going to add in some onions, and then I'm going to saute until soft. So the onions are going to absorb a lot of flavor from the fond because it has so much flavor from the chicken. So once the onions are getting soft, I'm going to add in some tomatoes. Stir in. So while my tomatoes are cooking, I'm going to add in some cardamon pods and bay leaf. Okay, that's a lot. And some cloves. And then I'm going to put on the flames on medium, switch on the flames to medium, and then I'm going to toast for around 1 minute until the spices for my rice are very flavorful. Once the spices are flavorful, I'm going to add in my rice. Stir in the rice together with the spices. Toast the rice for around 1 minute. That is going to help our rice to absorb the flavors from the spices. Check on my tomatoes. So I'm going to add in 2 seasoning cubes, bay leaf, stir in. And then I'm going to add back my chicken into the pot together with the chicken juices. Add in the rest of the marinade. And then I'm going to add in some water. Stir in my chicken, and then I'm going to let the chicken fully cook over medium-low flame. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover. And for my rice, I've added water to my rice. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of salt to season my rice and some cooking oil. So I'm going to cook my chicken until ready. That is around 20 to 25 minutes, and then my rice is going to be cooking at the same time. So yeah, catch you after several minutes. So the water in my rice is drying off, so I'm going to add in some color. So I'm going to add in some orange and some red, and then I'm going to cover and reduce the flames to low so that my rice can fully cook. And over here I have some onions. I'm frying some onions. This is for my rice also. So I'm going to fry the onions until crispy. So keep tossing the onions so that they don't burn. My rice is ready, and also my chicken is ready. So I'm going to serve and show you some amazing chicken biryani. My chicken biryani is ready, and it's looking very delicious. I love the chicken that is so tender and very flavorful, and the rice is just perfect. I have topped up my chicken with the fried onions. That is also going to add a lot of flavor. Hope you try out this amazing chicken biryani recipe at home and enjoy.